My name is Ralph George, and I'm the founder and creator of SmileFy. My goal is to revolutionize smile design by introducing a groundbreaking platform that centers around treatment plan options. This platform will automatically adapt the design based on these decisions, streamlining and automating time-consuming procedures and workflows using AI technology. The emergence of the new era in smile design, known as SmileFy design, promises to enhance the quality of designs and treatment plans. It will also free up valuable time for dental professionals to engage with patients while providing real-time visualization of the potential outcomes based on various treatment plans. Smile design is determined across multiple categories. The preoperative ideal design involves visualizing the optimal placement of veneers and crowns, highlighting the specific areas on the buccal surface that require preparation. The motivational mock-up is an additive design that overlays the patient's teeth. Its primary objective is to provide the patient with a positive impression of an aesthetic treatment, showcase its benefits, and ultimately enhance case acceptance. The post-operative ideal design visualization portrays the anticipated results of an aesthetic treatment, encompassing elements such as gingivectomies, crown lengthening, and digital preparation. Ortho and smile design involve superimposing the smile design onto an orthodontic treatment simulation. In numerous instances, an orthodontic treatment is essential for minimal invasive tooth preparation and achieving an ideal axial angulation for crowns and veneers.